Hi, I'm Michael doing Celebrity Hairstylist, and I am partnering with göt2b. This is so dear to my heart because as a hairdresser, I look everywhere for inspiration. And this time, I'm taking man's best friend as my inspo. I am creating the French Bundogs, a rad play on obviously a little cute Frenchie. We're gonna be doing some cool little ears up here. Also gonna be making that really rich, beautiful Frenchie color. I'm going to be using some of my favorite göt2b metallic hair color. Open the developer and put it in the bowl. Puncture the top of the tube so it opens up and start squeezing the color from the base and middles. Once you have your gloves on, go ahead and apply. We're going to section down the middle. I'm going to start applying color. Brush the remaining color from the scalp to the ends. Then let it sit for 30 minutes. And now we're going to rough dry and start creating our style. This color is beautiful. All right, let's give you some ears. I'm going to section down the middle, all the way through to the back. Ultra glued invincible styling gel. A little bit on my palms, emulsify, come along the parting. Bring her hairline back with a little bit of the gel. Now, we're going to bring it up into a high bun. Hairspray. Spray around the perimeter. Use your brush and brush into shape. Okay, so now we have our ponytail. Now, we want to get these to smooth down. So let's spray. Fine tooth comb. Smooth them into shape. göt2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. Smooth down the flyaways with just a little bit, not a lot. Brush the hair so it's smooth. To make it stay together, smooth. Back comb, but leave the exterior nice. Keep all the ends together. Cover it with an elastic. Wrap around, and then we're going to pin. So there you have it, your French Bundogs.